So hi, hello everyone. We are once again coming back with something. It's convex layers. It's something like shoulder length haircut, and this is absolutely suits for something who have with shoulder length, and if they want to be expected something more layers and bouncy look and volumetric updated look. This is ultimately suit and perfect haircut for them, and which will be it's similarly like hide and seek layers you can just see in this haircut. When you will be keep the front, it will be plain look, and when you will be see the back, it will become something. It will be combination layers on it. So that in that we take with a horseshoe section complete separated in top portions, and just be coming back with the side sections are going to be separate. So in this haircut is very interesting part is you can just see the hide and seek layers, which is called it bokeh layers. It will be going to be reduced. Rest of the length and part it will remain. And top of that adding the layers, and the existing part it will make into the shape. It looks so awesome in that haircut. So another side we can just separating with the section. So one side is done, and another side it will be going to be separating the partition, and the back portion also it will be going to be separating for the in step by step the subsections overall. You can just see the sectioning how it will be taken by overall, and just before cut the hair. So sections are majorly the presenting for to the haircutting presentations, which is can neat and clean shouldn't disturb other sections as well. That is the reason we just take sections. You can just see the clearly mention the sections and all, the back portions also, and the side the horseshoe. So now we take this small section. We can just cut one length haircut as of now. See that haircut before cut the one length haircut or shorter or longer, your head should be tilt every time. So whenever it will be due to the one length basic haircut, your head should be tilt always. So then only the basic one length haircut it will become and clean and neat, like scale kind of straight look. And we took with another section with a diagonal backward, a little bit of diagonal backward. So the last section is going to finish. I think so this hair is not come because this existed part is had already in layers. So now we take to the center profile and just pull them opposite towards to the roots direction. Whatever is comes to the 90-degree hair, that should be, it will be going to eliminate. The bokeh hair it will be going to be converting in the layers. So that's simple the haircut is. Take as much as thin section, pull the towards opposite way, and just cut rest of the hair. Just make sure the stationary guideline is very much important to be carried to the entire haircut overall. The guideline can be for performance to the major roles to be given complete to the showing the guidance. So axis of the hair it will be going to be cut, and we just taking thin section. Overall should be a section all or something like a triangle shape section itself, because we took with the horseshoe section in the top separated. So according that its sectioning is slightly go to the triangle sections. So last section it will be going to finish. In this haircut is just existing hair, whatever is left we can just convert into the convex layers, and the length got little bit of reduce, something bit refreshing the haircut, help up to the layers. Just we cross checking after a cut, and we come to another side, and we just going to the same stationary guideline and rest of the hair cut. So that simple the haircut was. If you So make sure, don't get confused during the haircuts. Must see the proper sectioning, where the lifting and where the head points are going to be separating the sections. According that, you can just practice at least a minimum 3 to 4 times. It will be going to finish last section. Almost done the haircut, and this has to be checked with a cross. So horizontal section we just take and just check the cross check. So almost done. Then just shaking the layers, you can just see completely how it is. And the one more section you can just see. Side section we separated and just cutting it rest of the hair. See, that easy. And we are not over directing with anywhere. In this convex layer, something it will be opposite to all the ways of 90 degree itself. Very clear should be 90 degree. And already top portion are shortened. So in this also we just cross check. In the top portion we merging purpose and just reducing to the side length and adding the layers and reconnecting back. So this side also we separate the section, just same things we following as is the previous haircut, the previous guideline. So last section is got pending. So now release the crown portion, just we separate with the center profile and just checking with this and that side, just separating the center profile, and accordingly that we can just lift them in a 90 degree exactly with the exactly that square bone sides, every side. See, you can just see how we separating and just we cross checking, and this side too same way. Whatever rest of the hair it will become, just trim. So this is the haircut, is very clear. The existing hair it will be going to be converting something like a layering technique. And so that's so simple the haircut was. I hope so you guys all understand this video. Hope so. And just be doing with a just messy blow dry. And you can just see lot of layers over there when we're shaking down the head. So my concept is very clear. I'm just always creating a new layers, which is saving the length, and top of that with adding the layers. Hope so you guys all understand. Please try to do these haircuts at least once while we'll get the time for your clients. It will be whoever looking something unique and new looks. Hope so it will be ultimately comes out then very good results end of the day. So my haircut is done overall, and just be shaking up to the just messy blow dry. Hope you guys all like this video. Please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please do share with your friends. Till then we'll be meet up to the next video. Till then, take care.